Om Sai Ram. Let's see what message Sai Baba brings for us today. As today is Thursday, it's Baba's day, and I have got these Sai Baba healing cards from which I will be taking out the cards, and accordingly, I will give you the messages of Sai Baba. So you can just close your eyes maybe and just make an intent that you get the answer for whatever that you're seeking today. So I'm just going to shuffle them and remove the cards. So we have got today the first card that comes is Declutter Your Life. Second is Rhythmic Movement. Third is Love Your True Self. Here, declutter your life. What does Sai Baba mean of this? Sai Baba is trying to tell you कि थोड़ा अपनी life को आसान कर दो. Why we need to declutter? Because cluttering makes our energy stagnant. Then we feel things don't move. So maybe you need to declutter even your phones, the messages, your laptop, the emails, and of course there may be clothes that you have not worn from so many years which are still lying in the hope that you will wear them one day. That is what Sai Baba is asking you to do, that. To just declutter, let go of what is not required. And this also means thoughts, because thoughts clutter our mind. So maybe you can take a few deep breaths when you feel very scattered so that you are centered. And that is one of the most important things Baba is asking you to do today. Then comes rhythmic movement. Now here, what is rhythmic movement? Rhythmic movement is also the movement with nature. You've seen how we have the sun rising in the morning, the moon setting in the evening, and we have 24 hours in a day where we have morning, afternoon, evening, night, we have seasons. So similarly, Baba's asking here to be more aware of the rhythms of nature, and similarly your own rhythms. Our body also has its own rhythm. Get connected to that. Many times your rhythmic movement will also mean maybe you need to walk, maybe need to dance, exercise, so that also this will also help in releasing a lot of emotions and helping you get centered. So see how you can balance and manage yourself with the rhythms of the nature, which is very, very important. Then we come to love your true self. What happens here is, Baba says that we are always compassionate with others, but with our own selves, we set very high standards. And then we can criticize ourselves, be very harsh on ourselves, not take care of ourselves. So he says, your true self is always one with me, because it's the Atma, it's the spirit, and that is one with him. And he says, see yourself through my eyes. You are complete in yourself. So it becomes very important that you start loving yourself. Show compassion to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be more loving to yourself. So here Baba has asked you to do few things which can help make your life better. Decluttering, of course. Rhythmic movement can be a dance, can be yoga, but more importantly, balance yourself with rhythms of nature. It is very, very important. Maybe you are not the kind of a person who can do things in a hurry. Listen to your rhythm and go according to your body's rhythm and do it. And do love yourself. Do love your true self. Know that he is there, Sai is there with us, within us, and always loving us at all times. If you like these messages or if they resonate with you, please do like, share and subscribe. Om Sai Ram.